Hello and welcome to our channel.
How to fix Telegram not loading images and videos. So first of all, open Telegram. Now go to settings. Tap on data and storage. Tap on using cellular. Now you have to turn on auto download media. Make sure all the photos and video settings are turned on. Then go back. And now you have to do the same for Wi-Fi. If it still does not fix the problem, check your internet connection. If you have poor internet, turn on airplane mode and turn off the Wi-Fi. Wait for few seconds and turn off the airplane mode and turn back on the Wi-Fi. If still it has low connection, consider using mobile data. Next is close the app and reopen. If it still does not fix the problem, ask the sender to resend the file.
I hope you found this video helpful.
Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.